Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall do the next part of the exercise, that is A part. Add either the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense of the verb in brackets. Before doing this activity, we should know about the present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense and the difference between the two. Present perfect tense is used to show an action that has been done in the near past. Present perfect tense is used to show an action, or in other words, it shows an action that has been done in the near past. The present perfect continuous tense is used to show an action that started in the past and is still going on. It shows an action that started in the past and is still going on. Now, let's start the activity. It for 1 hour and I hope it stops soon. The given verb is rain. It has been raining for 1 hour and hope that it stops soon. अभी काम जारी है. Therefore, we will make use of the present perfect continuous tense in the first blank. It has been raining for 1 hour and I hope that it stops soon. The next sentence is, I this book twice and I shall not read it again. Here we shall use present perfect tense. I have read this book twice and I shall not read it again. I have read this book twice and I shall not read it again. Third sentence is, they all day, I hope they will finish soon. The given verb is work. They have been working all day. They have been working all day. I hope they will finish soon. Sentence number 4 is, they now and they are just going home. The given verb is finish. How would you complete it? They have finished now and they are just going home. They have finished now and they are just going home. Sentence number 5. She English very long. She has only just started. The given verb is not study. She has not been studying English very long. She has not been studying English very long. She has only just started. Now sentence number 6. I everything you told me to do. There is nothing else that I can do. The given verb is do. How would you complete it? I have done everything you told me to do. I have done everything you told me to do. There is nothing else that I can do. Now sentence number 7 is, I to solve this problem for half an hour, but I haven't succeeded yet. The given verb is try. Try. I have been trying to solve this problem for half an hour, but I haven't succeeded yet. I have been trying to solve this problem for half an hour, but I haven't succeeded yet. Sentence number 8. I my best, I cannot do any more. I my best and I cannot do any more. I have done my best and I cannot do any more. I have done my best and I cannot do any more. Sentence number 9. We 8 sentences now. The given verb is finish. We have finished 8 sentences now. We have finished 8 sentences now. Sentence number 10. We this exercise for 10 minutes. It is time we stopped. We have done this exercise for 10 minutes. It is time we stop. Here is the next activity, use of since and for. Where do we use since and where we use for? For is used in case of perfect tense when total time period for which the action continued is given. It is used with the total time period for which the action continued in case of perfect tense. Where do we use sin? It is used when a particular time of start of the action is given in case of perfect tense. It is used when a particular time of start of action in case of perfect tense is given. Now here is an activity, add since or for to these sentences, B part. First one, I have not seen you 2 weeks. 2 weeks are total time period. So here we will use for. I have not seen you for 2 weeks. She has not been here Tuesday. वो मंगल से यहाँ नहीं थी. She has not been here since Tuesday. My father has not had a holiday dash a year. Dash a year. So for a year. We have not had an English lesson 3 days. For 3 days. We have not had an English lesson for 3 days. He has not been home the end of March. He has not been home since the end of March. Our dog has been lost 3 weeks. Our dog has been lost for 3 weeks. He has not smiled 30 years. He has not smiled for 30 years. She has had nothing to eat 6 o'clock in the morning. This morning, she has had nothing to eat 6 o'clock this morning. तो क्या यूज करेंगे? Since 6 o'clock this morning. She has had nothing to eat since 6 o'clock this morning. Sentence number 9 is, the school has been closed 3 weeks. The school has been closed for 3 weeks. Next, I have not been to Japan. I was a boy. I have not been to Japan. I was a boy. I have not been to Japan since I was a boy. This is all about the today's lesson.